As promised, let's take you directly to Jantar Mantar, where our war veterans are protesting, demanding one rank, one pension. Well, just a short while back, high drama at the protest site in Jantar Mantar, where the protest for one rank, one pension is taking place. Doctor earlier had recommended fasting war veteran Havaldar Major Singh to be shifted to the hospital. He's the man on your television screen. The war veteran refused to be removed. Havaldar Major Singh's condition earlier deteriorated after he even spurned water and decided to continue fast unto death. Havaldar Major Singh is the second war veteran who has been advised hospitalization after retired Colonel Pushpendra, who was sent to hospital yesterday. Well, that's the latest that we're getting in, that Havaldar Major Singh has in fact been hospitalized. Another war veteran, currently on fast unto death for the one rank, one pension cause, is on the verge of collapse. We spoke to him a short while back. We're with Havaldar Major Singh. His fast unto death has entered the 10th day. There are reports that he's severely dehydrated. He's threatening to even give up water right now. We don't want to talk much to him because clearly he's not in good health, but he wanted to. And he asked me to come over because I was sitting right there. He wanted to talk to us. Sir, there are reports कि आप डिहाइड्रेटेड हैं अभी. आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे अपना फास्ट? कंटिन्यू करूँगा. मैं कंटिन्यू रखूँगा और 14 जून से हम इधर आए हुए हैं. 15 जून से हम इधर बैठ गए थे. 24 घंटे के लिए बैठते थे, लेकिन 16 तारीख से मैं मरण अंश पर बैठा हूँ. लेकिन अब मेरे को बोल रहा है कि डॉक्टरों ने कि अब पानी की कमी है. मेरे में कोई कमी नहीं, मैं फिट हूँ. आज से मैं पानी भी नहीं पीऊँगा. आप पानी भी छोड़ रहे हैं?
पानी भी छोड़ दिया मैंने, नहीं पीऊँगा उससे.
उससे तो आपका हेल्थ और इफेक्ट होगा सर.
कोई बात नहीं, तो मरने के लिए बैठते हैं और किस लिए बैठते हैं? मरण का मतलब क्या है? मरने का मतलब यही है ना, मरने के लिए बैठते हैं. और जितनी देर तक उसका उससे पूरा नहीं हो जाता उन्हें तक नहीं उठते हैं. देखो तक मैं नहीं उठूंगा जिन तक हमारा आरोपी का लेटर हमारे हाथ में नहीं आ जाता, इधर ही बैठे.
सर, अगर आप एक मैसेज देना चाहें, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो बाहर इंडियंस हैं जो सोचते हैं कि वन रैंक वन पेंशन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें खुल जाएंगी. अगर आप एक मैसेज देना चाहें हर एक भारतीय को, क्योंकि आप यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, जो बहुत सारे और आर्मी मैन हैं, उन्होंने आपने अपनी जो जान पे खेलकर यहाँ पर बैठे हैं. आप डेकोरेटेड सोल्जर्स हैं और आज आपको एक फास्ट अनटू डेथ के लिए बैठना पड़ रहा है. आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे वहाँ पे हर एक भारतीय जो ये देख रहा है अभी? क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
उनको यही है कि हमारे जो भूतपूर्व सैनिक हैं सड़कों पर बैठे हुए हैं, लेकिन उनको नहीं बैठाना चाहिए. उनका दुर्भाग्य है, फौज का दुर्भाग्य बोल रहे हैं वो भी रोड पर बैठना. यही बोल रहे हैं सभी को हमारा.
और ये दुर्भाग्य सिर्फ भूतपूर्व सैनिक का नहीं है, ये दुर्भाग्य जो हर एक हिंदुस्तानी है, भारतीय है, उनका भी है.
हाँ, सभी का है. और किसके लिए है? सभी का है. और जो हमारे कमांडर है उनका है, जो उधर बैठे हुए सेंटर में, उनका है.
बहुत धन्यवाद. We don't want to tax him more. We don't want to talk to him more. His fast has entered the 10th day now, and what Havaldar Major Singh is saying is that he's also giving up water now. Reporting with camera person Jitendra, Preeti Chaudhary for India Today. Well, the latest is that Havaldar Major Singh, I'm being told by my colleague Jugal Purohit, who's on ground zero, has been shifted to the army hospital. Meanwhile, there is some respite for war veterans fighting for one rank, one pension. The government is finally set to blink. Sources are telling India Today that the government is likely to announce one rank, one pension before the 28th August on the eve of 50 years of the war in 1965. According to these reports, Prime Minister Modi has held meetings with various ministries on its implementation. Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar also met Modi to discuss the issue. Representatives of the ex-servicemen who have been protesting for the implementation of one rank, one pension are also set to meet the Prime Minister. Sources at the Defence Ministry have said that the veterans have been told to expect a firm timeline soon. I want to cut across to Gaurav Sawant, the senior editor, who's getting us up to speed with the very latest coming in on the story. You know, Gaurav, the mood right now at Jantar Mantar, highly cynical, and understandably so, because the government so many times have promised and gotten back on its word.
True there, Preeti. The commitment was made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, and the BJP President Amit Shah at multiple times. In fact, Amit Shah had given them a deadline, Manohar Parrikar had given them a deadline, but those deadlines were not honoured. But when the Prime Minister made a commitment from the ramparts of the Red Fort there was a glimmer of hope, but as you rightly pointed out, there was cynicism. From what my sources are now telling me, the defense minister has met the Prime Minister, and there is a very high possibility that there will be some good news on the 50th anniversary of the 1965 war victory over Pakistan. In the 1965 war, there's the Golden Jubilee, and many of these veterans who are sitting on this hunger strike at Jantar Mantar and across the country,
right,
some of them participated in that war. So, there is some good news that's on the horizon.
All right. Gaurav, stay on with us. Let me quickly cut across to Jugal Purohit, who's right now at Jantar Mantar. Jugal, two quick questions there. One, clearly, our ex-servicemen highly cynical at Jantar Mantar, refusing to believe the latest word coming in that 28th August is when our veterans can actually expect one rank, one pension. Reactions from there. And second, now with Havaldar Major saying it would be the second army personnel on that indefinite hunger strike being taken to the hospital.
Well, Preeti, there are two quick points on your question. The first is that veterans are telling us that they have sought an appointment with the defense minister for the last 2 days, but they are even yet to hear from the office of the defense minister. And obviously, when you put a question about the 28th of August, a laugh is what you are getting from all of them, because they're saying that it simply does not matter. The government hasn't even given us time to meet, far less obey and accept our demands. So that's number one. Second point is that Havaldar Major Singh, there was an ambulance, it still is here at Jantar Mantar, waiting to evacuate him from here to the RNR hospital, but he's refused to go. In fact, not just that, there are two more veterans who've joined the fast unto death, taking the total number of veterans on fast unto death to number 6 now. That's the situation here. Obviously, pressure mounting. More and more people coming in here, obviously more and more media presence here, and veterans coming out in large numbers, larger than ever before. It's the 72nd day out here at Jantar Mantar that these people are protesting and seeking a fulfillment of their demand. But as I said, their point is that we've not even got an appointment with the defense minister. So how do you expect us to react when you talk about unconfirmed reports of 28th of August? That's what's happening on the ground.
All right. Appreciate you joining us, Jugal. We're going to keep coming back to you for more on that story.